Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare fufu. Fufu is normally made from one or more ingredients. It can be cassava and plantain, cassava and cocoyam, cassava on its own, cocoyam on its own, or even yam on its own. But today I am going to prepare fufu using cassava and plantain. Let's get started. I have here my cassava and unripe plantain. I will cut the cassava into smaller pieces and then peel.
Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen.
Peel the plantain and then cut them into reasonable sizes. I normally remove the seeds from the plantain when making my fufu, which is my preferred method, but this is optional. In a pot, add your cassava and unripe plantain, making sure the cassava goes in first, then the plantain comes after. Add water, rinse, and then throw the water away. Add in another water and bring it to a boil. Please do not add salt. Okay, so we're going to let this boil for about 30 minutes. When the cassava and plantain are fully cooked, the plantain changes color into a more yellowish color and the cassava becomes soft and easy to break. When it's fully cooked, it's time to strain the water. I have my mortar and pestle here and I am going to begin the pounding of the fufu. If your mortar and pestle is brand new, Pound a little bit of cassava and use the pounded cassava to clean the mortar and pestle. This is to ensure that the pounded cassava collects any loose wooden chip which was left after carving the mortar and pestle. Okay? It's now time to pound the plantain, but I will begin with a few bits of cassava as the base. Most people, as I can remember, pound the plantain first because when the plantain becomes cold, it is difficult to pound and mix smoothly. When pounding fufu, you have to apply various techniques of mixing until it's well mixed and soft. So that is exactly what we will be doing. At this stage, do not sprinkle water on the plantain whilst pounding. As the pestle touches the cassava or plantain, you twist the pestle. This helps to mash the cassava or plantain to form a dough and also to avoid it from jumping out of the mortar. The pounding of fufu is an act that needs practicing. Just keep pounding and turning and sprinkle water every now and then to soften the fufu. Like I said, it is a technique. Whilst pounding, sprinkle water and turn the mixture regularly. So once the plantain is ready, I will start pounding the cassava. The plantain fufu is ready. See how beautiful it looks. It's time to pound the cassava. Slice off the back of the cassava before pounding if and only if the cassava is hard. Sometimes you get very good cassava and you wouldn't need to slice the hard part. When we begin pounding the cassava, water should not be sprinkled on it until the dough is formed. Keep pounding. The cassava fufu has now formed, and I will be adding the plantain fufu. I will pound the cassava and plantain together. I will keep pounding and turning to ensure a thorough mix. Now we have a thorough mix of the fufu and it's ready to serve. This is where you split if you want, or you can have it as a whole. I like my fufu very soft, so I will continue with the pounding to achieve that. Gently tap and mold the fufu into a nice shape, then serve it into a bowl, but in my case, I am using a sanka. The fufu is ready now and it can be served with palm nut soup, light soup, peanut soup, and so on and so on. And I am going to serve mine with goat meat light soup, aka aponchin kakra. And if you want to see how I made this light soup, I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until the next video, bye for now.